In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a Claude AI conversation. Whether you want a backup of your chats or need to share a transcript, the export tool makes it simple and secure. First, open Claude AI in your web browser or launch the desktop app and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the account that has the conversations you want. Next, look to the lower left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile icon, which may show your initials or a small avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the place where you can manage how your account behaves and how your data is handled. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Privacy. In the Privacy section, locate the option called Export Data. Click Export Data to start the process. This tells Claude to gather a copy of the information associated with your account, which usually includes your chats and related details. Now, wait while Claude processes your export. The time this takes depends on how much conversation history you have. You don't need to do anything else during this step, just give it time to finish preparing the package. When the export is ready, you'll receive an email with a download link. Check the inbox of the email address linked to your Claude account. If you don't see it right away, allow a few minutes for processing and consider checking your spam or promotions folder just in case. The message will contain a link you can use to get your exported file, which typically includes your chats. That's it. By opening Claude, going to your profile icon, selecting Settings, heading to Privacy, choosing Export Data, waiting for processing, and then grabbing the download link from your email, you'll have a copy of your conversations available outside the app. Treat that file carefully, because it can contain sensitive information from your chats, and store it in a secure location. If the interface looks a little different in the future, remember the key idea. Export lives in Settings under Privacy, and the finished file is delivered via email. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you export your Claude AI conversations whenever you need them.